Dear students, today I'm going to show you how to embed a simple Excel file in a Word document. The steps are very easy. So for that, what I've done is I've created two files. One is a sample Word document and a sample Excel sheet or a Excel file. So now if I click open, if I open this sample Word, let me just try to minimize this so that you will be able to see the complete yeah, I think you'll be able to see this thing here. And then what I have is I have the Excel file, and let me also minimize this so that you should be able to see the data that appears here. Yeah, so like I said, uh, the steps are going to be very simple. So what you have to do is in this case, what I've done is I have put these two in the same place, that is the desktop. So let's say I'm opening this file, and let's say let me just type click the below icon to open the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so my task is to bring or create an icon over here, and then when the user clicks the icon, this sample file should actually open. So it's the way of you submit only one document, but you create only one Word document, but in that you will be embedding any files. It could be an Excel file or it could be a PowerPoint. You can just do that. So the simplest way, which I normally follow, is you select this. Okay, don't click, don't open it, but just select it, and you drag it, right? You drag it and place where you want to like it in this white space of your Word document. You see it's processing now, and that's it. So now what you can do is you can just save it. Let's say we already call it a sample Word, so I'm just going to click it as save. Okay, now let me just quickly close all the files, and now I'm going to open the sample Word, which is already saved. Now you can see this, there is the sample file which is embedded, which is an Excel spreadsheet. No, I'm just trying to open it by clicking it, and you will get this Excel file. So this is very useful for you to submit any assignments or any reports that has a spreadsheet, or even the PowerPoint presentations. I hope you were able to understand how to do this. Thanks for watching.